Hi sociology students! So I was just going to do a really quick video for your first quiz. It is on culture, so before, culture, and it's also going to be on our social theorists, so make sure that you look back on that discussion board as well. My one thing I just wanted to let you know is that this is going to be kind of more so on examples so that you can actually apply examples to some of these terms. So you want to make sure that you know some of our terms from our previous lessons. And like I said, also social theorists. You're going to want to know a little bit about those guys before you get going. It's 20 points. But you do have 30 minutes to complete it, so just make sure that you're looking at the time frame for that, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions. Study hard before you get going on this, and make sure that you totally understand each particular term from our previous lessons, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I think I already said that. I can't remember anymore, but I'll talk to you guys later.